Welcome or welcome back at I Need Help at C-Squared. In this clip we will find the area and the circumference of this shape, which is called a circle. So for finding the circumference and the area, we're going to use these two formulas, and I'm going to start with the circumference. Do you notice the circumference is 2 pi r or pi d? So I'm going to use the first one, 2 pi r. For that reason I need to know the radius. And you notice here I have the 2 points. This A, which is the center, and this B, which is on the edge of the circle. That will be the radius. The question is, how do I find it? And you have two choices. Either you use the distance formula or you use the Pythagorean theorem. I prefer the last choice since we have a picture. We have a right triangle there. And if you count, this is 2 and this is 1, 2, 3, this is 3. So we can find the hypotenuse of that triangle, which is in fact the radius. So I'm going to call this C, and I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equal c squared. So in this case we have 2 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, and that will be 4 plus 9, right? 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9 equals c squared, or c squared equals 13, and that means c is nothing else than square root of 13. But remember, this c in this case is the radius r of the circle. So now I can go back in this formula, and I'm going to have the circumference equals 2 pi times radius square root of 13, and I think that is a good answer. 2 pi square root of 13 is a good answer, is the exact answer. If you want to evaluate, you just need a calculator and be sure what you put in, how you put that pi and square root of 13 and multiply this guy, and you're gonna get the circumference. Let's move to the second part of this problem, which is about area. And if you notice, we have a formula for the area here. Area is pi r squared. So you notice we do not have a second choice like for the circumference. We just have this one with the radius. So in this case, the area becomes pi times the radius squared. Square root of 13, that is how much the radius was, if you remember. Square. We don't really need a parenthesis, I just put them to notice their radius. And now the square root of 13 squared, that means square root of 13 times square root of 13, that will be 13. The square root and the power of 2 cancel out. So the area will be 13 pi. Again, if you want to evaluate this, you need to grab a calculator and use the pi button and multiply by 13. And that's it. If you enjoy this video clip, don't forget to click the like button. Come back at C-Squared for more help. Thank you.